Are there any benefits to keeping cash at home? Keeping cash at home can be seen as a precautionary measure, providing a tangible financial safety net in case of emergencies. Natural disasters or unforeseen events can disrupt normal access to banks and ATMs, making it challenging to withdraw money. Having cash on hand allows you to cover immediate expenses, ensuring your family's well-being during such times. However, it's essential to strike a balance and not keep excessive amounts of cash at home. While having some cash is practical, storing a large sum within your residence has notable drawbacks. The primary concerns are the potential loss or theft of the money. Storing cash in unconventional places, such as under the mattress or behind picture frames, poses inherent risks. The possibility of misplacement, damage, or theft increases when significant sums are kept within the confines of your home. Therefore, the decision to keep cash at home should be a measured one, considering both the potential benefits and risks. Is it a good idea to store cash at home? Storing cash at home is generally acceptable in moderation. Having a reasonable amount of cash provides a sense of financial security, especially during situations where electronic transactions or ATM withdrawals may be unavailable. This is particularly relevant in the event of power outages, network failures, or natural disasters that disrupt banking services. However, caution is crucial to avoid the pitfalls associated with keeping excessive cash within your residence. The risk of loss or theft is a significant drawback. Unlike funds kept in a bank, where security measures are in place, cash at home is more susceptible to unauthorized access. This vulnerability necessitates a thoughtful approach to determining the appropriate amount of cash to keep readily available. How much cash are you allowed to keep at home in the U.S.? In the United States, there are no specific regulations dictating the amount of cash individuals are allowed to keep at home. Whether it's in US dollars or any other currency, there are no legal restrictions on the quantity of cash one can possess within their residence. Individuals have the autonomy to decide how much cash they feel comfortable keeping at home based on their unique circumstances and preferences. Factors such as emergency preparedness, personal financial goals, and accessibility during unforeseen circumstances play a role in determining the suitable amount. It's essential to strike a balance between having enough cash for emergencies and not exposing oneself to unnecessary risks associated with keeping large sums of money in an unsecured environment. Evaluating your financial needs and considering alternative methods, such as maintaining a bank account for larger funds, can help make informed decisions. What are the disadvantages of keeping cash? Keeping cash at home comes with its set of disadvantages, and individuals should weigh these factors before deciding on the amount to store. One significant drawback is the increased risk of theft. Homes may not have the same level of security as banks, making them susceptible to unauthorized access. Additionally, insurance coverage for cash stored at home is often limited. In the unfortunate event of theft or loss, the amount reimbursed by insurance may not fully compensate for the total sum. This lack of comprehensive coverage underscores the vulnerability of keeping large amounts of cash in a residential setting. Furthermore, cash does not generate interest when stored at home. Unlike funds deposited in a savings account or invested in financial instruments, cash kept in physical form does not accrue interest over time. This means that, considering inflation, the real value of the stored cash diminishes gradually. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of money, leading to a reduction in its real value. By keeping significant amounts of cash at home without the opportunity for growth, individuals may find their purchasing power diminished over the years. Therefore, it's crucial to consider these financial implications and explore alternative options for long-term wealth preservation. In conclusion, while keeping some cash at home can provide immediate access to funds in emergencies, individuals must carefully evaluate the associated risks and drawbacks.